Are you ready to transform your workflow? Discover how Gemini.ai can enhance your Google Workspace experience, streamlining tasks and boosting collaboration. In this video, we will dive into practical tips and tricks to leverage AI for smarter document management, effortless scheduling, and automated responses. Don't miss out on the future of productivity. Watch now and elevate your workspace game. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into gemini.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Gemini.ai is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows within Google Workspace. By integrating Gemini.ai with Google Workspace, users can leverage AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, analyze data, and facilitate collaboration. This powerful combination allows for more efficient document creation, smarter email management, and improved organization, ultimately helping teams work faster and more effectively. So right now, let's just come back here and you click over Chat with Gemini to get started, and you have just to read this information about Gemini if you want. If you don't want, you have just to click over more. We have, for example, what data is collected and how it's used. You have just to read it. Then we have here how human reviews improve Google AI, how Gemini apps activity works with other services and settings. Then we have additionally data handling as your device assistant. Gemini gets help from Google Assistant and speaking to Gemini here. And also we have here supplemental features, terms of service, and you click over use Gemini once you read all these things. Alright? Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one, and here we have how you can get started with Gemini. Alright? Alright, right now let's just click on over settings and let's click on over extensions right now. I will show you how you can do that. So once you click over extension, we'll find this page. As you can see, we have here various things about some information like Gemini extensions, how you bring it all together, and also you find here the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. Then we have turn Gemini extensions on or off anytime, on a conversation mini extensions, and here we have Gemini extension help you bring it all together, and you have the magic of, and you have just to click over learn more to more understand for each one. So all I have to do right now is just to integrate Gemini with Google Drive for seamless document management and send it to your Google Calendar to keep track of appointments and deadlines. You can also manage emails through Gmail and create tasks that send it with Google Tasks. Finally, explore automation features and training resources to optimize your workflow. So we have here various things that you have to know about Gemini. The first one, which is Google Workspace. If it's Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, Google Tasks. Then we have here the option of Google Flights, Google Hotels, and we have also here Google Maps, YouTube Music as well. All right. So for example, here we have Google Workspace. About this one, we have Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Doc, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Docs. You have just to find, summarize, and get quick information from your content in Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, and more. Right? You have a Google Maps. Tap into location-based information to bring your plans to life. And also we have YouTube. Discover YouTube videos and get answers about them. And right now I will show you how you can do that. Let's just click in over New Chat. And I will just select, for example, here I will select, for example, Gmail, and I will write, for example, read emails, and you will find read emails here, as you can see. So let's just wait for it. And we have it. As you can see, you have 7 read emails in your Gmail inbox. Here is a list of the senders of the subject. We have a ClickUp team, LastPass, and we have LastPass again, and Olmo. Then we have auto of system.io. Right now, let's just give another example. For example, let's just select in Google Maps. For example, I'll just search, for example, for location of McDonald New York, and I will click over here. and then you'll find the location. All right, so here we have it. Also, we have here details, as you can see. And let's just give it another example, and then I will just select again, for example, YouTube, or I will select YouTube right now, and I will search for best videos last, or I will just write best videos yesterday. As you can see, so here we have best videos, today baby monster and Rosie and Bruno. Then we have here also, I will ask, for example, I will just select here Google Drive, and I will write folder that I have. I don't know if I have folder in Google Drive, folder that I have, so let's start discovering that right now. As you can see, so let's just, we have found one folder in your Google Drive. Get started with Google Drive, right? And let's just give another example. For example, I will select here Gmail, and then write, for example, respond email to Gemini, for example, Gemini. If I have, so let's just wait for it. Have a texture inbox for emails from Gemini. In read emails, we have ClickUp team, LastPass, we have LastPass again, and here we have, I can see the content of the in-read emails to determine if they need a response. However, I suggest you check the email titled "And your device is using your account," and please confirm your email address, as they may require action from. So here we have, you don't like respond of any emails, so that's why. So right now let's just select another one. For example, let's just select again YouTube, and let's just write in bed video that good little, or I will just get lot of dislike. For example, lot of dislikes last year, for example. And here are some videos that got a lot of dislikes last year. Sales hit on your blogs, and here we have it, as you can see. All right, so this is how you can use Gemini. It's very helpful to use it if you have a folder, if you want to ask for something. And integrating Gemini with Google Workspace can significantly enhance your productivity by streamlining document management, calendars, synchronization, and task organization. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.